Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to use the web-based cloud platform. Let's get started with the definition of Colorlight Cloud. Colorlight Cloud deploys a cloud server. The platform lets you log into the web page or the application and govern control across mobile phones, PCs, and tablets. It is capable of connecting to multiple players through the internet, enabling cluster management of screens effortlessly on the cloud. The cloud platform lets you publish programs to the player, play the designated program, adjust the volume and brightness, create commands including sleep and wake, and monitor the device running status and the display content on the screen in real time. Before diving into the operations of the cloud platform, get to know how to upload media. Launch a browser and log in to the cloud platform. Select Media Upload. Note that an individual image or video file cannot exceed 20 megabytes and 2 gigabytes respectively. Otherwise, the upload will fail. Select the Upload button and specify a media. A pop-up dialog indicating the upload progress appears in the lower right corner of the browser. Closing the dialog will interrupt the upload process. Once uploaded, edit your program. Then let's look at how to edit your program on the cloud. Select Create to access the Program Page Editor, which lets you rename the program and set the resolution. Optionally, click Select Size to choose the corresponding screen, and its resolution will be filled in the fields automatically. Click on the plus button and specify a program window type you want. Take the picture file as an example. Select Files and drag the media from the My Media panel to the program window. Drag the corner of the media to resize the window. To add multiple windows, repeat the operations and then drag the program windows to the appropriate position. Once done, select Preview in the upper right corner to view the playback performance. Verify the content and select Save to save the changes. This session explains the methods to publish the program you prepared. Select the program you want to publish from the playlist. Click on Publish and choose the corresponding group and device in the pop-up dialog. Click on Confirm to complete program publishing. Next, let's see how to view the screen image. Go to Terminal and select the Overflow menu next to the group. Select the Overflow menu and choose Actions Screenshot to refresh the device screenshots in bulk. To verify the screenshots, view the thumbnails in the device list. Alternatively, double-click the device image and click on Refresh in the pop-up. The final session covers how to control devices through the cloud platform. Double-click the target device to access the device details interface. A wide variety of commands are listed below, including sleep, wake, reboot, and volume and brightness adjustment. Take volume adjustment as an example. Adjust the device volume and execute the command. Once done, a dialog displaying success appears. To perform cluster management of multiple devices, select the Overflow menu next to the group. Select Actions in the pop-up menu to see a variety of commands. Select a command to perform cluster management of devices in the group. That's how to use the cloud platform. Subscribe to the Colorlight channel and stay tuned for more updates.